Foundries face important environmental challenges.
Each year, a single foundry can emit over 10,000 kilograms of amines. For this reason, reducing amine emissions and promoting their reuse is a key and innovative objective.
REAMINE project offers a new way to capture and reuse amine emissions in foundries.
The proposed solution consists of a hybrid system that integrates adsorption and membrane technologies, creating an energy-efficient treatment system. This configuration effectively reduces amine emissions while facilitating the recovery of liquid amines. The main objective is to demonstrate an innovative and cost-efficient process to capture and recover amines from foundry emissions, helping industries reduce the impact of non-methane volatile organic compound pollution on human health and the environment. The expected results include high reusability, high purity amines, and an efficient recovery process. This is the consortium of the project, which brings together partners from industry and research.
LIFE REAMINE, co-funded by the European Union. Discover more online.